Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the most important predicted series for the mains 2024. In this video, I am going to predict some of the important questions from the General Studies paper 2 Polity and Governance sections. So what I have done is that I have divided the entire General Studies paper 2 Polity and Governance sections into subsections. So in the first subsection, historical underpinnings. In historical underpinnings, there can be a general question: is Indian Constitution a borrowed constitution, and critically examine this. Or they can ask you 1773 and 1853. 1853, how does it lead to parliamentary system? There can be also a question on constitutionalism, Indian constitutionalism, myth or reality. Then in comparison of Indian constitution with other constitution, there can be a question on comparison of judicial appointment system of India, US, UK and France and South Africa. Or there can be a question on analyze the separation of power between UK, US and India. Or there can be a question on, okay, republic versus monarchy question. Okay. Next, in constitutional features, there can be a question on subcategorization of scheduled caste, which was in news because of the Supreme Court judgment. Or there can be a question on euthanasia, legal jurisprudence over euthanasia, or climate right. Last year, Supreme Court has come out with climate rights. So climate rights are very, very important new thing. Then 50% legal ceiling on reservation. Then uniform civil code, very, very important. Okay, argue for uniform civil code. What are the challenges in implementing uniform civil code? Next, sedition, scrapping sedition. Next, film censorship, very, very important. Constitutionality of film censorship. Next, rule of law, the due process of law, the bulldozer justice. Okay, they can link it and they can frame one question. But the most important question from the constitutional feature is right to property this year. Article 31, right to property. Question can come on this. Very, very important. Right to property. Please do prepare right to property. In my DPS classes, I have discussed right to property in detail. Next, reservation in the private sector. Next, okay, question can be on sixth schedule. Very important. Sixth schedule. Okay, the Ladakh demand. What are sixth schedule? Why they were introduced? Why Ladakh is demanding sixth schedule? Next, basic structure doctrine. Question can be on basic structure doctrine because okay, around I think 50 years because of that, this question is very important. So overall, you can see another question is on the fetus and women agency. Okay, the medical terminacy of pregnancy. Okay, that is a very important revolving topic. And last is the death penalty. Okay, so these are some of the important topics from the constitutional features. Again, I repeat, the most important one in this will be the sixth schedule Ladakh case. That is very important. Next, the euthanasia and climate rights and the death penalty, film censorship. These are some of the important topics on which question can be framed in this section. Okay, and even the subcategorization is also very important. Next, in functions and responsibilities of union and state and issues of federalism and local government, there can be a question on the 15th, the 16th Finance Commission terms of reference. Guys, recently there is a lot of controversy regarding fiscal federalism. Okay, so what are the horizontal imbalance and what are the vertical imbalance in fiscal federalism? What is the formula used by Finance Commission for devolving funds? Why are southern states protesting against the terms of a reference of the 16th Finance Commission? Okay, what is this north and south debate in this fiscal federalism? These are all questions which you can get very, very important. So you can see here, I have created around 7 to 8 questions on the same theme. Okay, fiscal federalism. I am telling you, you can just mark my word, there will be one question on fiscal federalism. One more topic related to this is the states borrowing rights under Article 293. Okay, so Finance Commission, fiscal federalism, formula for devolution, the controversy between center and states, the controversy between northern states and southern states, all these issues are very, very important. Definitely, I'm telling you again and again, 15 marks question definitely is going to come from this. Other than that, okay, concurrent list, should it be deleted? Or the interstate council and zonal councils, what is their functioning in intergovernmental relationship? Then the role of governor in center-state relation, politicization of the post of governor, and governor with the respect of Article 200, governor and legislature, governor and state legislature, very, very important. Next, special category state. What are the special category state? That can be again a question. Next, cess and surcharge. How does it impact the fiscal federalism? Next, there can be a question on Panchayati Raj institutions, have they failed? And another question can be on union territories. What are union territories? What are the constitutional provisions related to union territories? How they are different from 6th schedule and 5th schedule? So these are the questions. This is the most important section, I would say. At least three questions you can expect from this. You can mark my word. At least three questions can come from this. Okay, please do prepare this theme very properly. Next, you can see here dispute resolution. Last year also one question was there. This year, okay, there can be a question on Mediation Act 2023. This can be an important question, or Gram Nyayalay or Lok Adalat. Okay, the assessment of Gram Nyayalayas and Lok Adalat, but high chances Mediation Act. Okay, next from the Parliament topic, JPC and Public Account Committee. What is JPC? How it is JPC different from Public Account Committee? And how, like, what is the role of the JPC? Okay, next, parliamentary privileges. Do we need to codify them? Next, disruption of Parliament. Will suspension help? Then anti-defection, very important. Rajya Sabha, role of Rajya Sabha, is it effective? Should all the states have same kind of representation in Rajya Sabha? Then what is money bill? What are the constitutional provisions related to money bill? Okay, misuse of money bill. Then ethics committee. Then women reservation. Okay, next, you can see what is the role of Parliament in financial accountability. Then coalition politics and role of opposition. Okay, but the more important ones are the, okay, initial 5 6 topics. At least one question you can expect from this Parliament. I think mostly the question will be around either the parliamentary privileges, or the questions will be around the JPC and the Public Accounts Committee, or the questions can be around this Rajya Sabha and Money Bill. Okay, so this is Rajya Sabha, Money Bill. Okay, they are related to each other. Okay, next, coming to the structure and functioning of executive and judiciary. Here you can get question about the collegium system, the judicial appointment, criticism of collegium system, and move towards NJAC. Next, the question can be on judicial backlogs and judicial reforms. Next question can be on All India Judicial Services. Very important. Do we need All India Judicial Services? What are the merits? What are the demerits? Very important. Then Article 142. Okay, can be one question. And constitutional bench. What is constitutional bench? Discuss the significance of constitutional bench. Do we need court of appeal? Do we need court of appeal? Okay, so this can be question. One more question can be, okay, about coalition and the size of cabinet. The size of cabinet. Okay, there can be a question on that also. The number of ministries, more number of ministries. Okay, lack problem of coordination and all that. From the RPA Act, question can be on freebies. Question can be on election manifesto. Question can be on inner party democracy. Okay, or question can be on criminalization of politics. So these are some important topics you can get from the RPA. Next, from constitutional post this year, question will be on election commission, the new act. What are the criticisms against the new act of appointment of election commission? Or question can be on CAG, or question can be on National Commission on Scheduled Tribes. What is the criticism against the functioning of that? Or the National Commission on Women. From the statutory and regulatory bodies or quasi-judicial body, question can be on FSSAI or NGT or NHRC or tribunals. Okay, question can be on tribunals also. Okay, functioning of tribunals, FSSAI, NGT, NHRC. NHRC is also very, very important this year. Please do prepare NHRC. I think NHRC has high chance to come. Why NHRC is called toothless tiger? This also I have discussed. Okay, very, very important. And overall appointment system of ED and CBI. This was also